Right, back again, and I can hear you all sniggering. Pack it in. So, looks like we've been screwed over again. The eBayer is a big company called Aqua Cadabra, and I've bought various things from them over the last couple of weeks. This is sold as a multi-item listing. At the very top of the drop-down menu is the Seatest itself, and the rest of the drop-down menu items are all of the test kits. So of course you assume that any of those test kits work with this, and of course that would be completely wrong. They don't. So I've just bought magnesium, calcium tests, and these are purely colour change tests. So this bit of gear is completely irrelevant for those. So I would have stuck with the Red Sea test kits for calcium and magnesium. I don't know how much they are, but it's something I'm going to look into. I'm just going to turn this off and tell you what this actually does. Right, when you turn it on, it will come up with A5, I don't know what that is, and then TAN. Well, that actually stands for tank. So if you keep pressing select now, that will change from tank 1 all the way up to tank 10. So I'm just going to scroll through to tank 1 and then press test. Now you can either test pH, NO2, NO3, PO4, NH4, and then you're back to pH. So it's in fact quite a lot more limited than I realised. I assumed, as it was a pull down menu with all of the test kits listed, I assumed they all worked with this. So suddenly I've got colour change tests which I can use, and this which is completely useless for me, without buying all the relevant test kits that I've already got the Red Sea versions of. So I'll be having a little chat with Aqua Cadabra tomorrow, and I have a sneaky feeling that this may well be going back, as it obviously doesn't do what you expect it to do. I used the QR code on here, and that takes you to a page where you download the instructions, if you can call them that, and it's just a sheet of paper in 7 or 8 different languages, and the most basic instructions ever, saying just what I've done there really, and to dip this in 10 mils of water occasionally to clean it, and that's it. I downloaded the software, again pretty basic. Under the help menu you click on tutorial, but there aren't any, and then you click on another help video, and it just tells you to go to their YouTube channel, and when you go to Aquarium Systems YouTube channel, there were 12 videos, and not one of them covered this unit. It just is a quick cartoon style animated video on actually using each of their test kits. So yeah, I mean, I did manage to get this linked to the computer. You can test it. It has a test function where you just dip this into 5 ml of aquarium water, and it did a self-test and reported it was absolutely fine. But I'm pretty disappointed, I have to say. I've got the Senai built-in pH test on the tank now, so I don't need a pH tester, even though that was one of the colour of the Red Sea test kit that I was struggling to determine the correct value, and everything else, I'm fine with the test kits I've already got. So yeah, no use whatsoever, I don't think, with this limited number of tests, and obviously the others rely on colour changes, so this is never going to be of any use to me, I don't think. So yeah, pretty disappointing. And what did that lot cost? 120 odd quid. So yeah, don't be fooled into thinking that all the available test kits for this are for this, because they're not. And I think that's it's pretty bad that it's been laid out in that manner. You know, it doesn't say very clearly, I don't think, and I'm going to go back to look at the listing for this. It doesn't make it clear that it doesn't do all of the available tests. So yeah, that was supposed to be a positive review of some new equipment to help, and it's turned out to be a complete waste of time and money. Anyway, so yeah, maybe that will help somebody else making a costly mistake and assuming incorrectly certain things. So we'll see what the eBay seller says about that, and we'll go from there. Catch you later. Thanks for watching.